Radiant Legacy, 12 Captivating Facts about Marie Curie. Hello, and welcome back to our channel. Today, we're going to dive into the fascinating world of one of history's most iconic scientists, Marie Curie. Known for her groundbreaking research on radioactivity, Marie Curie left an indelible mark on the scientific community. But did you know she also had a few peculiarities? In this video, we'll be counting down the top 12 weirdest facts about Marie Curie. So, let's get started. Fact number 12, Marie Curie's passion for cycling. Marie Curie's love for cycling extended far beyond leisurely rides. It was her preferred mode of transportation, allowing her to navigate the bustling streets of Paris with ease. Often seen zipping through the city, she found solace and inspiration on her bicycle, using it as a means to clear her mind and contemplate her scientific endeavors. In fact, her passion for cycling went beyond personal enjoyment. She even utilized her bicycle to transport radioactive materials from one laboratory to another, unaware of the potential dangers lurking in her saddlebags. With her determination and scientific curiosity in full gear, Marie Curie pedaled her way to both scientific discoveries and a healthy dose of fresh air. Fact number 11, Marie Curie's tiny lab. Despite her groundbreaking research and monumental discoveries, Marie Curie conducted her scientific investigations in a surprisingly modest laboratory. Tucked away in a small shed measuring just 24 square meters, she pushed the boundaries of scientific understanding. Within those confined walls, Curie isolated radium and polonium, revolutionizing the field of radioactivity. Her lab may have been diminutive, but it was a powerhouse of innovation. This humble space showcases the incredible intellect and resourcefulness of Curie, who turned her limited surroundings into a launchpad for scientific exploration. From this compact laboratory, she left an everlasting imprint on the scientific community and paved the way for future advancements in the field of radiation research. Fact number 10, Curie's notebooks still radioactive. Marie Curie's scientific notebooks, which contain her meticulous research and discoveries, continue to emit radiation to this day. These invaluable records of her groundbreaking experiments are considered highly radioactive and require special handling. The pages, inked with her brilliant insights, still hold traces of the radioactive elements she worked with, serving as a tangible reminder of her tireless dedication to scientific exploration. Curie's notebooks serve as a poignant symbol of her commitment to unraveling the mysteries of radioactivity, even at the expense of her own health. They stand as a testament to her enduring legacy, both in the scientific realm and as a pioneer for women in STEM. Fact number 9, Curie's Nobel Prize keepsake. After winning her first Nobel Prize in 1903, Marie Curie chose a rather unconventional keepsake to commemorate her achievement. Instead of opting for a traditional memento, she requested a piece of jewelry made with a radioactive element, radium. The resulting piece, a ring, became a treasured possession for Curie. Little did she know at the time about the potential health risks associated with prolonged exposure to radiation. Curie proudly wore the radioactive ring, unaware of the irony that her symbol of triumph was also a constant reminder of the invisible dangers she worked with daily. Her choice serves as a testament to her unwavering passion for her scientific pursuits and her willingness to push boundaries, even in the face of potential risks. Fact number 8, Curie's X-ray trucks. During World War I, Marie Curie's expertise in radioactivity played a vital role in providing medical aid to wounded soldiers. She developed mobile radiography units, often referred to as little Curies, which were essentially X-ray trucks. These trucks were equipped with X-ray machines and taken to the front lines, where doctors could quickly and accurately diagnose injuries. Curie's innovative approach revolutionized battlefield medicine, allowing for immediate and more precise medical interventions. These X-ray trucks saved countless lives and showcased Curie's unwavering commitment to applying her scientific knowledge for the betterment of society, even in the midst of war. Her pioneering work in mobile radiography set the stage for advancements in medical imaging that continue to shape healthcare practices today. Fact number 7, Curie's affinity for flying. Marie Curie possessed a bold and adventurous spirit, and her interests extended beyond the realm of science. She had a deep fascination with aviation and took it upon herself to learn how to fly. Becoming one of the earliest female aviators, Curie embraced the thrill of soaring through the skies. Her daring pursuit of aviation showcased her courage and determination, qualities that mirrored her scientific endeavors. Just as she pushed boundaries in the laboratory, she pushed the limits of what was considered traditional for women in the early 20th century. Curie's affinity for flying demonstrated her relentless pursuit of new experiences and her unyielding desire to conquer both scientific and personal frontiers. Fact number 6, Curie's mysterious death objects. Even after her passing, Marie Curie's personal belongings continued to carry traces of radiation. Her papers, furniture, and laboratory equipment retained their radioactive properties, requiring careful handling and storage. These objects, once used by Curie in her groundbreaking research, became enigmatic artifacts, bearing the mark of her scientific pursuits. The radioactive remnants served as a poignant reminder of Curie's relentless dedication to her work and the sacrifices she made in her quest for knowledge. They also highlight the lasting impact of her discoveries, as her legacy radiates beyond her lifetime, both figuratively and literally. The mysterious death objects stand as a testament to Curie's enduring influence on the scientific community and her lasting imprint on the world of radiation research. Fact number 5, Curie's cookbook Contamination. Marie Curie's scientific pursuits even made their way into her kitchen. It is believed that her cookbook became contaminated with traces of radiation due to her extensive work with radioactive materials. As she meticulously experimented with radioactive substances, the pages of her beloved cookbook absorbed the radioactive elements. Each recipe became a subtle reminder of her scientific endeavors, imprinted with a hint of radiation. While cooking, Curie unknowingly flipped through the pages, handling the contaminated recipes with no knowledge of the potential health risks. Her radioactive cookbook serves as a unique artifact, bridging the worlds of science and everyday life, showcasing the far-reaching effects of her groundbreaking research. Fact number 4, Curie's Nobel Prize record. Marie Curie's extraordinary achievements are unparalleled when it comes to Nobel Prizes. She holds the distinction of being the only person to have received Nobel Prizes in 2 different scientific fields. In 1903, she was awarded the Nobel Prize in Physics for her pioneering research on radioactivity, making her the first woman to ever receive a Nobel Prize. Later, in 1911, she claimed the Nobel Prize in Chemistry for her discovery of the elements polonium and radium. Curie's exceptional contributions to multiple scientific disciplines solidify her place as one of the most influential scientists in history. Her dual Nobel Prize record stands as a testament to her brilliance, perseverance, and enduring impact on the scientific community. Fact number 3, Curie's forbidden love letters. Marie Curie, despite her status as a Nobel laureate and esteemed scientist, found herself embroiled in a scandalous affair that captured the public's attention. She engaged in a forbidden romance with Paul Langevin, a fellow scientist. Their love letters, filled with passionate exchanges and heartfelt confessions, were discovered by the media and caused a sensation in early 20th century society. The public was captivated by the story of a celebrated female scientist entangled in a love affair. Despite the controversy, Curie's commitment to her scientific pursuits remained unwavering. She navigated the storm of public scrutiny with remarkable resilience, showcasing her dedication to pushing boundaries not only in the laboratory but also in matters of the heart. Curie's forbidden love letters provide a glimpse into her complex personal life and the challenges she faced as a trailblazing woman in the scientific community. Fact number 2, Curie's prolonged exposure to radiation. Marie Curie's relentless pursuit of scientific discovery came at a great personal cost: prolonged exposure to radiation. Ignorant of the long-term effects of radiation at the time, Curie worked extensively with radioactive materials, often carrying test tubes filled with them in her pockets and keeping them in close proximity to her at all times. She even slept with radioactive substances by her bedside. This continuous exposure took a toll on her health, leading to chronic illnesses and ultimately contributing to her premature death. Curie's unwavering dedication to her research, coupled with her limited understanding of the dangers posed by radiation, serves as a testament to her immense passion and commitment to advancing scientific knowledge, even at great risk to her own well-being. Her sacrifice and bravery continue to inspire scientists and researchers today. Fact number 1, Curie's resting place radioactivity. The impact of Marie Curie's groundbreaking discoveries extends even beyond her lifetime and into her final resting place. Alongside her husband Pierre Curie, she is interred in the Pantheon in Paris. However, due to their extensive exposure to radiation throughout their lives, their remains are still highly radioactive. To ensure the safety of visitors and the surrounding environment, their tombstone is made of a special type of granite that effectively contains the radiation emitted by their bodies. This extraordinary measure serves as a testament to the profound influence Curie had on the field of radioactivity and the enduring legacy she left behind. Even in death, Curie's scientific contributions continue to radiate, leaving an indelible mark on the scientific community and the world. And that concludes our countdown of the top 12 weirdest facts about the incredible Marie Curie. Her life was filled with scientific achievements, unconventional choices, and a touch of peculiarity. We hope you enjoyed learning about these lesser-known aspects of her life. If you found this video interesting, Don't forget to give it a thumbs up and share it with your fellow science enthusiasts. Stay curious, and we'll catch you in the next video.